Prime Minister Dr. The Honorable Baldwin Spencer left the country on Tuesday for an official visit to Haiti to enhance cooperation between Antigua and Barbuda and the Republic of Haiti. Elisa Graham has more details.
During his visit, Prime Minister Spencer, who is also the Minister of Foreign Affairs, will sign off with President Michel Martelly a bilateral cooperation agreement which will further both countries' relations and CARICOM integration. The Prime Minister will also witness another agreement involving the Antigua and Barbuda Hospitality Training Institute and the Ministry of Tourism in Haiti for cooperation in hospitality, education, and training. At present, there are 10 Haitian students participating in a variety of two-year programs at the Antigua and Barbuda Hospitality Training Institute, funded by the Caribbean Hotel Association Educational Fund and the ABHTI. According to the nation's leader, the agreement will allow Antigua and Barbuda to tap into Haiti's vast market for goods and services, trade and investment opportunities, while allowing the formation of synergies in tourism-related services. He adds that the intention is also to create the enabling environment for the private sector, architects, contractors, other professionals, and civil society to seize tangible opportunities that exist in Haiti, which can only be of tremendous mutual benefit. Spencer says Haiti is viewed not merely as a challenged society, but also as a CARICOM member state, rich with potential and real opportunities for trade in goods and services. He is accompanied by Antigua and Barbuda's CARICOM Ambassador Designate, Dr. Clarence Henry, and Mr. Calvin Ambrose, Executive Director of the ABHTI. Spencer returns to Antigua and Barbuda on Friday. Minister of Finance and the Economy, Harold Lovell, is the acting in his stead. For ABS News, Elisa Graham reporting.